everyone! As you would know by now, this is one of my favorite episodes because we're going to talk about Vocabolario Tematico, a kind of vocabulary that relates to a certain topic, okay, a very specific one. And today, I have chosen la magia, magic. Alright, I don't know how I come up with these ideas. Anyway, magia, magic. Now, quando parlate di magia, pensate a formule magiche, magical formulas, right? Of course, you know, what kind of witch, strega, può essere senza, without, formule magiche. Okay, so formule magiche. Poteri soprannaturali, okay? You need some supernatural power, otherwise nobody would believe, altrimenti nessuno può credere che tu sei, o sia, una strega, or uno stregone, a wizard, okay? Then we might have talismani, very straightforward. Il talismano, I talismani, talismans, okay? The small objects you would carry with you as a symbol of good luck, talismani. Amuleti, pretty much the same thing. Amulets. Bacchette magiche. I don't know why I came up with this, but anyway, bacchette magiche. So bacchette, a little stick, right? Where you make your potions and then you go like, and so would be, I don't know what you do. I don't really know what you do, but I have to learn. Okay, creature magiche. Okay, magical creatures. Creature magiche, they're so important. Okay. Then possiamo parlare di illusionismo, ok? Illusionismo, per esempio, ci sono show. I don't know if you would use another word for show. In that specific case, we just use show. Uno show, lo show. Ci sono show di magia dove ci sono illusionisti, okay? When you see people cut in half or in 3 different pieces, okay? That is most likely and hopefully un illusionista, okay? Or una illusionista. Then you can talk about divinazione. Divinazione è più when you have a crystal ball, okay? Quando tu hai una palla di cristallo e vedi il futuro. Or divinazione con la lettura del palmo della mano, okay? Or you could have divinazione leggendo I fondi del caffè, the residual part of coffee. I've never seen that, so I'm not gonna adventure into specifics I'm not fully aware of, okay? Then you can talk about levità and levitazione. When you see like all this, I want to say Indian, because in my imagination they're Indian, but anyway, when you see all the gurus levitating, you know, or whoever does it, okay? Levitazione. Mi piacerebbe moltissimo imparare a levitare, if that's possible. Ok. Possiamo parlare di boschi incantati, ok? Magical woods. Castelli stregati. Think about the castles that are infested by ghosts, okay, or witches, okay. Castelli stregati. Caverne nascoste, okay. Caverna is like a grotta. It's like cave, okay, a hidden cave somewhere, okay. Montagne magiche. I don't know. You could do everything with magical, but fundamentally that's that. Then you can talk about mago. Mago or maga. It's somewhat slightly less than stregone and strega. A mago could be also someone of a good character, okay? Whereas when you say strega, stregone, you don't think necessarily about something that's really positive, okay? So you have il mago, la maga, la strega, lo stregone, then you have il fattucchiere. Now, fattucchiere, for whoever out there who believes in things like the evil eye. Un fattucchiere could be somebody like that, somebody who has a certain power and would throw something like a curse or like an ill will at you, okay? Once they see you or once you say something to them, okay? Fattucchiere. And then, of course, we have un druido, you know, if we resort to ancient history, okay? We have un druido, a druid, okay? We could talk about maledizione and benedizione. So, maledizione, a curse. Benedizione, a blessing, okay? Incantesimo, that's a spell, okay? The adjective for it would be incantato, okay? And then we could talk about, finally, magia bianca and magia nera. When it comes to that, you could use certain expressions. For instance, lanciare un incantesimo, preparare una pozione, trovare un tesoro nascosto, maybe, essere stregato or essere incantato, credere nella magia, credere nelle creature mitologiche, in oggetti magici e fare rituali di magia. With the hope that nobody of you would deceive other people out there, you know, pretending to be what they're not, or pretending to cure something that should be treated scientifically. I want to leave it at this. So guys, try and use this vocabulary as much as you can. You know already what to do. Comment below, leave a like if you want to, subscribe to the channel, make your own sentences or a whole story, and if you want you could post it here below, and we'll catch up in the next episode. Ciao!